Welcome to our progressive list building video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of list building on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate list building in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest list building strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is list building all about? Video number 2, creating an email incentive. Video number 3, picking an email marketing service and setting up a list building campaign. Video number 4, designing an effective lead capture page for your site. Video number 5, creating a blog post with an embedded sign-up form. Video number 6, adding an exit intent pop-up to your site. Video number 7, designing a lead gen survey. Video number 8, collecting emails with a giveaway campaign. Video number 9, adding a lead capture form on your Facebook business page. Video number 10, running a lead generation ad on Facebook. Video number 11, collecting emails with a Google Ads campaign. Video number 12, high converting lead magnet ideas for your campaigns. Video number 13, highly effective lead segmentation tips to increase retention. Video number 14, exit intent hacks to reduce abandonment and increase subscriptions. Video number 15, crazy list building strategies that work on social media. Video number 16, alternative list building strategies you can try. Video number 17, list building do's and don'ts. Video number 18, list building premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, list building success stories. Video number 20, list building frequently asked questions. I know you'll love this training. What is list building all about? Hey there everyone! Here we'll show you step by step how to maximize your subscriber count by implementing proven list building strategies into your email marketing mix. Our goal is to help you optimize your email marketing efforts using strategies that don't take forever, that don't cost you a small fortune, that you can apply from the comfort of your home by yourself. Before we get into the meat of this training, we'd like to start by discussing some of the basics. This will help you get a fresh perspective about the topic we'll be working on. What is list building? List building is the action of collecting email addresses to grow your mailing list. Simply put, it means to grow or build your business's email contact list. List building is an important aspect of your overall email marketing efforts, and it is all about using different types of lead generation strategies to attract qualified leads and to incentivize them to join your contact list. How does it work? List building works by using a wide variety of tactics and strategies to convince people to give you their email address. Basically, it's all about funneling online users to a lead capture page where you offer them an incentive to convince them to submit their email address. This incentive can be anything of value to the user, such as an ebook download, a discount code, an invitation to an insider program, or an invitation to join a newsletter where you send contact updates straight to the user's email inbox. The idea is to encourage the user to take action, to move from the consideration stage by entering their details and their email address. Once they submit their email address, the user becomes an email lead, a truly valuable asset for your business, because then you can start using email marketing strategies to further move that lead down your sales funnel. Once you get a user in your mailing list, you can start sending them personalized content and offers that will make it even easier for you to convert them into a customer. What's more, once a user makes a purchase after joining your list, you can start sending them even more targeted offers based on their own purchase and other inbox behaviors. This means that the final goal of list building is to help you capture email leads that can convert into repeat customers down the line. Why should you consider list building for your business? List building is a cornerstone marketing method that should be applied by any business that wants to truly grow beyond its existing client base. The top benefits of list building includes: list building provides your business with a wider outreach. Not only does it help you to expose your business to a worldwide audience, but also to save their email address to your business's contact list, a key line of communication for driving sales. List building gives you a quicker, more efficient way to qualify your leads. This is because a person that willingly shares their email address with a business is interested in what it has to offer and is open to make a purchase at some point. List building lets you create a buyer persona because it gives you a direct line of communication with a potential client, and you can use it to send personalized messages and to examine how each subscriber in your list responds to it. This style of personalized communication makes it easy for you to create a client profile based on their preferences. This, in turn, will make it even easier for you to market your business by dividing your clients into segments within your list, to which you can send targeted emails with specific offers based on their buyer persona. It's cost-effective because it helps you start and build a permanent marketing and communication channel with your clients that won't cost you as much as advertising. What's the future for list building? The future of list building is an exciting mix of automation and more dynamic email experiences. Right now, there are companies developing solutions that will help you automate on-site conversations using chatbots that can walk website visitors through a series of steps that include joining email lists. The increase in computer processing power and enhanced internet connectivity is making it possible for online marketing companies to create dynamic funnels that gamify the user experience, so moving leads through a conversion funnel is fun and simple to achieve, reducing abandonment and increasing conversion rates. So, are you ready to take your first step into this exciting journey? Yes? Then let us grab you by the hand so we can get started. Creating an email incentive. Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our list building training. Get ready to learn how to successfully grow your business's contact list from scratch, step by step. We are going to open the training by introducing you to email incentives, which are the basic starting point of a list building campaign. Then we'll show you how to easily put one together, using tools and other stuff that you already have access to for free from your computer. What's an email incentive? An email incentive is something that you can use to convince people to join your contact list. In other words, it is kind of a reward that you promise to a person in exchange for their email address. More specifically, it can be anything that is of enough value to a potential lead that they will be willing to submit their email address into one of your sign-up forms so they can get it. They're commonly referred to as lead magnets, precisely because they work as magnets to capture email leads. You are already familiar with the drill. You do a search on Google to find information about a topic or product first. You find a relevant result, so you click on the URL to check the content. And once inside the content page, a pop-up appears offering you a free ebook or promo code or free trial, and you only have to enter your email address so you can access the offer. Now, the business or marketer running the website has your email address, and it's free to contact you with more content and offers. It all worked because you were willing to give your email address so you could get what they offered. Email incentives are at the top of the conversion funnel. They are designed to attract the visitor and to make them want more. As such, they're not too elaborate, and they don't give away a complete product or content piece. That's why they can be easy to create on your own. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to create an ebook that you can use as your incentive, real quick. Creating your own email incentive. The easiest tool that you can use to create an attractive ebook is Microsoft Word, or any other similar text editor with the same basic features. For this example, we are going to use Word. So let's start by opening a blank Word document. Next, let's select a template to format the ebook. For this, you simply have to click on the Insert tab and then on the Cover Page drop-down button. This will show you a selection of cover page templates. We recommend you pick one that lets you to easily insert a cover image, the title of the ebook, and a brief summary, like this one for instance. What we'll do now is replace the stock elements in the cover template with our own elements. First, we'll right-click over the image. Then we will move over Change Picture, and we will select From File, so we can replace this image by selecting one from our computer. Okay, now that we've replaced the image, let's replace the document title text with the title of this ebook. Let's now replace document subtitle with a nice subtitle to complement the title above. Alright, let's now replace the abstract text with a summary of the ebook. Once you edit this, you can replace the placeholder author with the name of the author of the ebook. This could be the name of your client or pen name. You can also leave this field empty, which we'll do in this example. Looking awesome so far, right? Now it is time to add the book's content. Like we mentioned, this doesn't have to be an expensive long-form content piece. A giveaway ebook can simply be a 1,000 to 2,000 word document that you can use as a teaser to hook the reader and encourage them to consume more of your content. Check this example to get an idea. First, we'll jump to the following page to paste the book's intro. Next, we're going to jump to the next page to paste the rest of the content. It is a good practice that you create, proofread, and format your content prior to creating the ebook. Then all you have to do when creating the ebook is to paste the content right into the document, like this. It saves you a lot of time, and all you'll have to do next is convert the document into a readable PDF. For this, click on the File tab. Next, click on the Export option. Then select Create PDF/XPS document and click on Create PDF/XPS. Now enter your ebook name into the file name field. Select the location where you'll save the ebook and then click on Publish. And that's it. Now you're ready to start offering this ebook as an email incentive. Picking an email marketing service and setting up a list building campaign. Hey there everyone, you got your email incentive ready, and now it is time to take the next step, which is to prepare a custom email campaign. Now, before you are able to create an email campaign, you will need to sign up to an email marketing service. An email marketing service is simply a platform that gives you access to an email marketing dashboard where you can create, run, and maintain your campaigns. Picking an email marketing service. There is a series of things that you have to consider before you sign up to an email marketing service. A good email marketing service has to provide you with a user-friendly user interface that makes it easy to navigate all features, as well as an easy-to-use editor that lets you create functional but nice-looking emails and newsletters. Basic features offered by a good email marketing service include email marketing automation, easy personalization, segmentation, and tracking. The good news is that there are many email marketing services available, and all of them offer great service and features. Some popular services include MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, GetResponse. For instance, we picked MailChimp as our default email marketing service for this training because it is extremely user-friendly. It has a clean, nice-looking interface, lots of features, and you can use it for free. So consider that although we'll be using MailChimp, you can apply the same steps and strategies using other services because they work pretty much the same way. Setting up a list building campaign. All right, folks, let's get to work. Let's show you how to set up a list building campaign that integrates with and automates your email marketing efforts. Like we mentioned, we will be using MailChimp from now on. So we will start on the MailChimp dashboard homepage. Click on the Create Campaign button to get started. Next, click on the Email option. Now click on the Automated tab. Then click on Welcome New Subscribers. Enter a name for your new campaign into the Campaign Name field. Click on the Select Audience drop-down menu button, select an audience, and then click on the Begin button. Now it is time to customize your campaign. The recipients are already set up to join the audience you selected in the previous step, and the name of your business is set up by default as the sender's name, so you can skip the Sends to and From configurations. So click on Edit Subject. Start by entering the subject of your email. This can be a welcome message to your mailing list. Next, enter a preview text. This can be a message telling the subscriber to open the email so they can download your incentive. Click on Save to continue. Alright, now it is time to customize the automated email. Click on Edit Design to get started. What you'll do next is simply to replace the stock email elements with your own email content. Start by clicking on the logo block. Now click on the Replace link in the Content section. Select the image you'll use as the email logo, and then click on Insert. Great! Now click on the email body block below the logo. Move to the Content section on the right, and replace the stock email text with your own email copy. Here you are simply going to compose a welcome message and a call to action instructing the subscriber to click on the download button to get their incentive. Don't worry about the stock variables in the body headline, as they are used to personalize the email by pulling the name of the subscriber. Click on Save and Close. Then drag a button block below the email body block. Now move to the Content section. Start by customizing the button text. Now you are going to add your email incentive to the email. For this, click on the Link to drop-down menu button. Select File, and then click on the Upload button in the new window. Locate the email incentive that you created following the steps in the previous lesson, and double-click on it to upload it. Once uploaded to the library, select it and click on Insert. Awesome! Now that the email is ready, click on Save and Continue. The email campaign is fully set up at this point, so simply click on Start Sending, then on Start Now to launch the campaign. Designing an effective lead capture page for your site. Hey there everyone! Let's move on to the next step of your list building journey. Designing an effective lead capture page to start generating leads instantly from your site. In this lesson, we are going to show you the easiest way to design yours from scratch. Step number 1. Creating a sign-up form. The first step is to create a sign-up form that you can embed on your lead capture page. For this, we're going to use MailChimp. Start on the app's dashboard homepage. Click on the Create drop-down menu button, then select Sign Up Form. Next, make sure that Embedded Form is selected. Click on the Select an Audience drop-down menu button. Select your audience and click on Begin. This will generate your sign-up form. All you have to do now is to replace the stock form title with Download. You will embed the code right below the sign-up form preview. We'd recommend you to copy this code and then to paste it to a text file so you have it handy for the next step. Step number 2. Designing the lead capture page. Now it is time to create the lead capture page. The easiest way to do this is through a WordPress installation and plugin called Elementor. Installing Elementor. Let's start on the WordPress installation to install the plugin. First, move over the Plugins tab on the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Add New. On the following page, type Elementor into the search bar. Locate the Elementor Page Builder plugin and click on Install Now. Wait for it to install, and then click on Activate. Awesome job! It is fully installed and active. So let's get some things ready before you can start using it to design the lead capture page. Getting your site ready. Let's start by switching the default theme. The default themes for most WordPress installations don't work well with Elementor, so it is necessary to switch to one that is fully compatible. For this, move over the Appearance tab and click on Themes. Locate the 2017 theme and click on Activate. Now it is time to change the structure of your site. For this, move over the Pages tab and click on All Pages. Next, select all your site's pages. Click on the Bulk Actions drop-down menu button, select Move to Trash, then click on Apply. Now click on Trash. Select all the pages you just moved there. Click on the Bulk Actions menu button. Select Delete Permanently, and then click on Apply. Designing the lead capture page. Now it is time to transform the site into an elegant, high-converting lead capture page with Elementor. For this, click on the Add New button on this page. On the following page, click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor Editor, which lets you create and customize all types of pages with ease. Don't worry if you don't have web design experience, or if the Elementor Editor confuses you a bit, as we are going to show you how to do it step by step. Start by clicking on the Settings icon. Next, click on the Page Layout menu button and select Elementor Canvas. This simple layout switch will hide every WordPress element of your page, which makes it incredibly easy to create a lead capture page, which only has a handful of elements. This includes the headline, the subheadline, an image, bullet points, a call to action, an opt-in form with a call to action button, and legal pages. Let's start by adding the headline. For this, you are going to click on the plus icon and select the one-column structure. This will be added on top of the page. Move over this new section and click on the plus icon. Now drag a heading block into this section. Now edit this text. Here you are going to add copy to maximize your offer. In this case, we are going to add copy to highlight what makes our lead magnet special. You can use the editing tools on the content section to change the headline text size and alignment. Then you can use the editing options in the style section to change the font color and add other text effects. Now it is time to add the subheadline. For this, we can repeat the previous steps. Simply add another one-column section, then drag a heading block into it. Now compose your subheadline copy. Here you are going to add an elaborate and direct description of your offer to entice the lead and to let them know what it is all about and what they will miss if they don't sign up. Now use the Content and Style tools to make the subheading text smaller and of a different color. Let's now add the image and bullet points. We can add them both using a two-column section. So let's click on plus to select a two-column structure. Okay, let's now click on the plus icon corresponding to the column on the left to drag an image block into it. This image can be an image related to your offer. In this case, we're going to insert the cover of our ebook. For this, click on Choose Image to upload the image from your computer. Awesome job! Let's now insert the bullet points. For this, click on the plus icon in the column to the right and drag an icon list block into the column. What you'll do next is to customize the stock list items inside the content section. Simply click on an item and edit the item text. Here we'd recommend you to change the item icon to circle, like this. Do this for all your bullet points. If you need to add more bullet points, simply click on Add Item. Now it is time to insert the opt-in form. For this, add another one-column section. Then drag an HTML block into it. Now paste your sign-up form embed code into the HTML code field. And as you can see, the sign-up form you created a few steps ago just loaded into this page. Amazing! Also, notice how the opt-in form already includes a call to action, the opt-in fields, and the CTA button. And this is it, my friends. As you can see, you've just got yourself a beautiful lead capture page in just a few minutes, and with just a few clicks of your mouse. To finalize, You can add your legal pages by creating a Terms of Service and a Privacy Policy page through your dashboard, and add your links here for follow-up. All you have to do now is click on Publish so your lead capture page goes live. Creating a blog post with an embedded sign-up form. Hey there everyone! Previously, we showed you how to transform a whole website into a landing page to capture email leads. And in this lesson, we are going to expand on that by showing you how to add an embedded sign-up form to a blog post. Creating your embedded sign-up form. Alright friends, so the first step here is to create your embed sign-up form. For that, go to your email marketing service dashboard to get started. In our case, we're going to start on our MailChimp dashboard. From there, we will click on Create Campaign. Then we will click on the Sign Up Form option on this new window. Next, we're going to click on the Select an Audience menu button, and then we'll select the audience where we'll save the leads we collect through this form. Then we will click on Begin. This will generate an embed code that you can add to a page on your website to show a sign-up form that looks like this, complete with submit fields, a call to action, and a submit button. Before we move on to the next step, we are going to customize the stock call to action text in the form title field. Once you generate your embed form code and customize the call to action, copy this embed code and save it somewhere like a notepad file. You're going to need it in a moment. Creating a blog post. Okay folks, now it is time to create a blog post where you can embed this sign-up. This strategy works because blog posts engage visitors and encourages them to consume more content from your website. And the easiest way to do it without visiting your site every day to check whether you have posted content is by signing up to your mailing list, which they'll be able to do right in the blog post page through your sign-up form. For this example, we'll be using WordPress to produce a blog post. Some steps may vary if you're using a different content management system. Okay, so let's get started. If you're using WordPress too, go to your site's dashboard, hover over the Post tab on the sidebar menu and click on Add New. Creating a blog post is quite an easy task, and all you need is a good content idea that is relevant to your niche, writing skills, and knowledge of search engine optimizations. You can always pay someone else, such as a freelance writer, to create blog posts for your website if you don't feel confident enough about writing them yourself. Here's the basic structure of a winning blog post. Start by composing the headline. The headline has to include your target niche keywords and an actionable phrase or question to encourage people to click through. Another trick that works is to add a number at the beginning of the headline. This works if your article can be divided into entries. For example, 5 lessons, 5 tips, 5 hacks, and so on. Now you are going to compose the content below. The basic structure of the article is first an introduction, which is a 100-word or less summary or description of the content. Next is the content. To help your blog post reach high search rankings and show on top of results pages, create content that is between 1,000 and 2,000 words long, that is well redacted, and that is free of spelling and grammar errors. If you're creating a numbered article, make sure to divide the content into numbered entries, like this. The headline and content are ready, so let's add the final touches. First, click on the Tags tab in the Documents menu and enter your tags. Next, click on the Featured Image tab, and then click on Set Featured Image to upload and insert a featured image that will appear below the headline on the blog post page. Adding your embedded sign-up form. Okay, we're done creating the blog post, and now it is time to add the embed form. The best practice here is to find a good spot right in the middle of the article where you can insert the sign-up form. Doing this will help you show your sign-up form to people right when they're showing interest in your content, and also right before they reach the end of the article, at which point they're less likely to convert. So what you'll do after locating this spot in the middle of the article is to open a space between two entries. Next, you're going to click on Add Block. Now you're going to click on the Formatting tab and then on the Custom HTML icon. What you'll do now is simply paste your embed form code into the right HTML field. You can click on Preview to see how your sign-up form will look inside the page, and voila! There you have it. Publish the blog post. And now that everything is set up, click on the Publish button, and then Confirm. That'll be it, folks. You can click on View Post to see the sign-up form in action, and you could even test it by submitting your sign-up info. Adding an exit intent pop-up to your site. Hey there, everybody. You've seen how easy it is to integrate lead capture elements into your site. So in this lesson, we're going to show you how to also add an exit intent pop-up the easy way. Creating the pop-up. Like usual, we're starting on our MailChimp dashboard. So now is the time to go sign into your own email marketing service dashboard so you can follow the next steps. So what we'll do here first is to click on Create Campaign. Next, we're going to click on the Sign Up Form option in the new window. Now we're going to click on the Pop-up Form tab. Then we are going to click on the Select an Audience menu button to select the audience where we are going to add leads that convert through this pop-up. We can now click on Begin. Now you can start editing the pop-up. Start by clicking on the headline block to add your headline text. Here you can add copy to describe your email incentive. Now you are going to click on the last name Submit field, and you'll disable the required option. Now you're going to click on the CTA button below the Submit form. Start by aligning the button to the center. Next, select green as a background color. Now select red as the hover color. Then you are going to customize the call to action text inside the button. Make sure to add a call to action that describes the action that you want leads to complete, such as download, in case you're offering a download, or sign me up, in case you're offering a subscription. Now click on the disclaimer block below to add your disclaimer text. This is a simple statement to let subscribers know that you won't misuse or sell their info. Okay, now you are going to click on Set Image to insert a cover image on your pop-up. Here you simply have to insert the cover of your email incentive, in case you are giving away an ebook or related lead magnet. Now that you've successfully edited the sign-up form, click on the Success Message tab above so you can edit the thank you page that subscribers will see after submitting your sign-up form. Here you'll simply click on the confirmation message block to add your own thank you message to confirm their subscription and to let them know that you are about to send them an email where they can claim your offer. This next step is key. First, click on the Settings tab. Next, click on the Display menu button and select On Exit. This is the setting that will allow you to show your pop-up form when visitors show exit intent behavior, such as when hovering over the Close button on their tab or browser to exit your site. Now you are going to select Modal under Position, if it isn't selected already. You've just set everything up here. So now you can click on Save and Publish. Adding your pop-up to your site. Once you click on Save and Publish, you will be prompted to connect your site to publish your pop-up there. Start by entering your site's URL into the Enter Your Website URL field. Then click on Get Started. This will generate a unique code that will let you insert the pop-up on your site. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button below the code. What you'll do next with this code is to paste it inside the less than head greater than section of your site's code. This is easier than it sounds, and we'll show you how. Inserting your pop-up form code on your site. Alright folks, what you'll do now is access your website's code to insert the pop-up form code. This will vary according to the content management system you use, and in this example, we'll be adding it to a WordPress website. If you are using a different CMS, the basic step-by-step is the same. But if you're using WordPress, you can follow these instructions to the letter. Go sign in to your WordPress site's dashboard. Start by hovering over the Appearance tab on the sidebar menu and click on Theme Editor. On the following page, you are going to locate the Theme Header tab under the Theme Files menu. Click on it. Now you are going to locate the section between the less than head greater than and less than / head greater than tags, and you are going to paste your pop-up form there. Next, click on Update File. This will load the pop-up form code onto your site. Now go back to where you left on MailChimp. There, click on Check Connection. You'll get a message to let you know your site connected successfully. And all you have to do now is to click on this lever button to enable the pop-up. Testing your pop-up. Now your pop-up will become active. To make sure it worked, go visit your site and perform an exit intent action. And there it is. As you can see, adding an exit intent pop-up is a surefire way to capture leads that intend to leave your site by stopping them right in their tracks and interrupting them with a cool offer. Designing a lead gen survey. Hey there everybody! Surveys are a good way to generate email leads because they're unobtrusive and they give prospects the choice to participate in exchange for their email address at the end. That's why in this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily design a lead generation survey that you can add to your site. Getting started. There are plenty of marketing platforms and customer feedback tools out there that let you design and set up nice lead gen surveys. But we've found that most email marketing platforms also allow you to, easily and quickly. To walk you through this lesson, we're going to show you how to design a lead gen survey using our MailChimp account. Yet, if you're using a different tool, we invite you to check whether it has built-in survey features. Okay, so let's get started. Ready? Awesome. First, let's click on Create Campaign. Next, let's click on the Survey option in the new window. Now you're going to click on the Select an Audience menu button to select the audience where you'll collect the leads that submit the survey. Then click on Begin. Designing the survey. Alright folks, now it is time to start designing your lead gen survey. What you'll do is basically add your survey questions and an email submit form to the survey, and then customize the survey form. For this, click on the Add Questions button. Here you will start by clicking on Add a Question. As you can see, there are several question formats you can use, including radio buttons, checkboxes, score from 0 to 10, and open text. Our recommendation here is for you to add simple, closed questions that allows participants to fill it in quickly. This will reduce the time it would take for them to reconsider submitting their email if they get distracted with something else, or if they simply decide that the survey is too long. This will depend on what you're going to ask participants about. In general, it is best to do entertaining surveys about pain points shared by members of your target audience. For example, the first question we'll add here is a checkbox question where we give participants the option to choose one of multiple items. This gives the participant a sense of progression, which is also a great motivator to complete the survey until they submit their email. Here you can switch the Required lever to make it a required question, but consider that not all participants will want or will know how to answer certain questions, so only enable this option if necessary. Let's now click on Add a Question to add another question. This time, we're going to add a range question, where the participant will have the option to select a score from 0 to 10 to evaluate the question. Here you can also customize the low range label and the high range label. Let's now click on Add a Question once again to include a last question to this survey. This time, we're going to pick a radio button question with 3 options. We're also going to switch the Other option, so participants have that option too. Once you are done adding your questions, you're going to add the email submit field. For this, click on Add a Question, and then click on Email. What you'll do now is type a call to action into this text field to encourage the participant to submit their email. In this example, we're going to ask the user to enter their email so we can send them personalized information according to their answers. Now you are going to switch the Required lever button to make the Email Submit field a required field. You can also enable the Ask to Subscribe option to add a subscription confirmation checkbox. Alright, now that you've completed the survey, click on the Design tab to customize the survey form page. Start by clicking on the Branding tab. Then enable the Include Logo option to add or change the logo. Now enter a description of the survey into the description field. Now click on the Custom Messaging tab. Here you are going to enter your Survey Submit button text into the Submit button label field. Then a confirmation message to show participants after they submit the survey into the Confirmation Message field. And then a message to show users that close the survey into the Closed Survey Message field. Additionally, you can click on the Styles tab to customize the background color, button color, and button text color. Now all you have to do is to click on Save and Close. Publishing and sharing the survey. Finally, you're going to publish this survey by switching the Turn On lever button. Now your survey is live. Awesome! All you have to do now is to click on Copy Survey URL, so you can insert it on your site or share it anywhere else. You can also use the share shortcuts below to share your survey by email or social media. And this is it. You can keep creating more surveys like this one for clients or for your other websites and start generating leads like crazy. Collecting emails with a giveaway campaign. Hello there, everyone. If you've used social media lately, one thing you'd notice is how popular giveaways are. That's because they work wonders for the people running them. Now, most social media people do giveaways to get more followers or more YouTube subscribers, but you can simply use them to generate more email leads. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to do that the easy way. Getting started. There are many ways to set up and run giveaway campaigns, but the easiest way is simply by joining a sweepstakes platform. There's a bunch of them out there, but our favorite is Gleam, a dedicated giveaway platform that lets you create and run giveaway campaigns for free. If you're not using Gleam yet, simply visit gleam.io. Click on Sign Up and complete the registration process to get started. You'll need an account for the next few steps. Creating a giveaway campaign. All right, folks, are you signed up already? Yes? Awesome. Then go sign into your Gleam dashboard so we can get to work. Okay, what you'll do next is simple, so make sure to prepare the following before we continue. A prize to offer as an email incentive. This can be anything of interest to your target audience with a price tag, such as a product, service, software, book, or course. People love to get stuff for free, so this will help you attract a lot of leads. Your sign-up form URL. This can be the URL of the landing page you set up earlier, your survey form URL, or any other lead capture form URL you've set up. Once you have that handy, go to your Gleam dashboard and click on the New Competition button to start creating the giveaway. First, enter the name of your competition into the name field. Now use the calendar functions here to select the date when the competition starts and the date when the competition ends. Now click on the Time Zone menu button to select the time zone of your target audience. Now enter your giveaway terms and conditions in the Terms and Conditions field. Next, click on the CAPTCHA menu button and select Always Require a CAPTCHA. Now, this setting will help you avoid bots from ruining your giveaway campaign. You're done here. So now you're going to click on the User Details tab. First, click on the Minimum Age menu button and select 18 Plus Required checkbox. Now eliminate all options in the Allow Login section to eliminate barrier of entry as an objection to enter the giveaway. Now click on the How to Enter tab. Here you are going to select the entry method, and it is here where you are going to insert your sign-up form URL. For this, click on Visit a Page. Now enter your call to action into the title field. Now tick the mandatory checkbox and the daily checkbox to make it a mandatory daily entry. This way, you'll encourage visitors that don't sign up on first visit to sign up eventually by repeatedly showing them your sign-up page. Now enter your landing page, survey form, or other lead capture page URL into the link URL field. Then enter a custom CTA button text into the button text field. Make sure that Click Continue to Complete is selected under After Visiting, and then click on the Prize tab. All you have to do here is enter the name of the prize you're offering into the widget title field, and then a description of the prize into the description field. Now enter the number of winners into the number of winners field. Here we recommend you to include more than one winner. 3 or 5 will do, because the odds of winning are better with more competitors. You'll encourage more people to check the campaign. Now that you've finished creating the campaign, click on the Save button to launch it. And that's it, folks. All you have to do now is to start promoting and sharing your giveaway campaign. Adding a lead capture form on your Facebook business page. Hello there, everyone. We've been showing you ways to generate leads to build your email list on your websites. And now it is time to try a different placement that is sure to generate you tons of quality leads. That's right, we're talking about Facebook, one of the most popular websites on the planet, and one of the best platforms for marketing. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily capture email prospects there. Our favorite method is by adding a lead capture form directly on a Facebook business page. But before we show you how to do that, we'd like to also show you a quick and easy way to add a shortcut button with a link to one of your sign-up forms. For this, go to your Facebook business page and click on Add a Button. Next, click on the Contact You tab in the new window. Now select the Sign Up option, and then click on Next. Now you are going to click on Website Link. Now insert your sign-up form URL into the Add a Website Link field. Click on Save, and then click on Finish. As you can see here, this will add a sign-up button that will take people to the lead capture URL you set up there. Once you set that up, you can start preparing to add your lead capture form. Ready? Awesome. Let's get to it. Step number 1. Integrating a Facebook page with an email marketing platform. The most efficient method to add a lead capture form directly on a Facebook business page is email marketing integration. Don't worry if that sounds too technical, because all it takes is connecting your Facebook account to your email marketing service account so you can set up a lead capture form that will magically appear on your Facebook page. No coding required. We will use MailChimp to create this integration in this lesson, but you don't have to worry if you're using a different email marketing service, because the process is rather similar on all platforms. Let's start on the MailChimp dashboard page. From there, click on the Profile menu button, and then on Account. Once on the Account page, click on the Integrations tab. On the following page, click on the Facebook icon. You will be prompted to log into your Facebook account next, so make sure to sign in before we continue. Okay, then click on the Connect button to get started. You'll be prompted to go to Facebook, where you'll click on Continue As, and then on OK to allow MailChimp access to your Facebook page and to confirm the integration. Awesome job! Step number 2. Setting up the lead capture form. Now that your Facebook account is linked to your MailChimp account, you can start preparing your Facebook lead capture form. For this, click on the Page to Use menu button, and then select the page where you are going to add the lead capture form. Next, click on the List to Use menu button to select the list where you're going to collect the email leads that submit your Facebook sign-up form. Under Use Sign-up Form tab, you're going to select the Yes option. This setting will automatically create a Page tab on your Facebook page that loads a lead capture form. It is magic, just like we said, because you won't have to code, design, or configure anything. Now click on the Form Theme menu button and select a theme for your new lead capture form. Now enter the tab label into the tab label field. This is the name of the tab as it will appear on your Facebook page, and it will default to Email Sign Up if you don't enter a custom label. Now click on Save to finish. You'll get a Page tab updated confirmation, and you can click on Preview on Facebook page to go check it right on your Facebook page. All you have to do is check the tabs menu on your Facebook page, and there you'll see it. Click on it, and you'll open the lead capture form. As you can see, by following these few simple steps, you can add a complete lead capture form to your Facebook page. It looks great, and we can assure you that it converts very well on pages with good traffic. And that'll be it, my friends. Don't wait. Connect your Facebook page to your favorite email marketing service and transform your Facebook page into a lead generation machine. Running a lead generation ad on Facebook. Hey there, everybody. There's going to be a time when your organic lead gen strategies will peak, and you're going to have to set up paid campaigns to increase your reach and get more leads. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to get started with a paid lead gen campaign on Facebook. Getting started. Creating a paid lead gen campaign on Facebook is easy, and all you have to do to get started is go to facebook.com/ads manager URL while logged into your Facebook account. This will take you to the Facebook Ads dashboard, where you are going to click on Create Ad. On the following page, you are going to select Lead Generation as a campaign objective. This is the objective that will allow you to collect email addresses directly from a Facebook ad. Okay, now you are going to enter the name for your new lead gen campaign into the Campaign Name field. Then click on Continue to start setting up the campaign. Setting up the ad campaign. Ready to get started? Awesome. The first thing you'll do here is to enter the name of this campaign's ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Next, click on the Facebook page menu button and select the page that you will use to run your lead gen ad. Now scroll down to the Audience section. Here you are going to define your target audience. Start by adding your target locations into the Add More Locations field. Next, select the base and top age of your audience. Here you can also select a specific gender, but do it only if you're collecting leads to promote a gender-specific product or business, such as female if you're promoting beauty solutions. In the Detailed Targeting field, you can enter a niche keyword to select an attribute, interest, or behavior as a detailed targeting criteria. This will help you show your lead gen ad to people that include targeting criteria in their profiles. Now scroll down to the Budget and Schedule section to set your budget strategy. The optimal configuration here is as follows. First, select Daily Budget. Then enter an amount between $5 to $20 into the Daily Budget field. You can increase your budget to scale later on. Optionally, you can enter the average you are willing to pay per lead into the Cost Control field. If you don't enter an amount here, Facebook will put automated bids to help you win the bids. But this could cause you to go over budget, so plan this carefully. Lastly, select Run My Ad Set continuously starting today and click on Continue to start creating the ad. Creating the lead gen ad. Ready to start creating the ad for this campaign? Great! Let's get to it. Start by entering the name of your new lead gen ad into the Ad Name field. Now select Single Image or Video as the ad format, so you can use the cover image of your lead magnet in your ad. Now click on the Add Media menu button, and then on Add Image to upload your ad image. Now move to the Text and Link section. Here you are going to enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Next, enter the name of your email incentive into the headline field, and then a brief description or mention of the offer into the description field. Okay, now we're going to create the lead gen form that people will submit from the ad. For this, Move to the Instant Form section and click on New Form. The first thing you'll do here is to enter the name of your new form into the Untitled Form field. In the Form Type section, make sure to select More Volume. This setting will allow you to create a lead gen form that is quick to fill out and submit, leaving no time for prospects to object. You can enable the Intro section to add more information to your lead gen form. Because we already added this info on the ad, we are going to disable this section so people only see the sign-up form and submit quickly. Now click on the Privacy Policy tab. Here you are going to add your website's privacy policy page URL into the link URL field. This is a required field to complete the form, so make sure to add this before you continue with the final steps. Are you done adding the privacy page URL? Cool. Now click on the Thank You Screen tab to customize the message that leads will see after they submit the form. Here you'll simply add a headline, which can be as simple as "Thanks for joining," and then a description, which is simply a message to tell leads what action to take after they submit the form. Click on the Button Type menu button to see the actions available: View Website, Download, or Call Business. In this case, we are going to select View Website. When selecting this action, you also have to add a button text and a website link. Alright folks, let's now click on the Settings tab to configure a final setting. Here you are going to click on Form Configuration. There, select your form language first. Then select Open in the Sharing section. This will let anyone share and submit your form, even if they don't see the ad. Your lead gen form is done, and you can now click on Save and then on Finish to publish it. You'll get a preview of your lead gen form here. You're all set and done here, so all you have to do now is to launch your ad. For this, simply click on the Confirm button, and that'll be it. You'll be surprised by the results in just a few hours. Collecting emails with a Google Ad campaign. Hey there, friends. Running a lead gen campaign on the Google Ads network is also a great way to grow your audience into a huge email list. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to do it easily, step by step. Getting started. Are you ready to take your list building game to the next level? Yes? Awesome. Then let's do this. You have to start by visiting the ads.google.com URL while logged into your Google account to go to your Google Ads dashboard. There you will be able to create the campaign. Creating the campaign. So what you'll do next is click on the New Campaign button to go to the Campaign Setup page. Here you are going to start by selecting leads as your campaign goal. Next, you are going to select a campaign type. There are multiple campaign types that can be selected here, and for this example, we are going to pick Search. This campaign type will let you create text ads that you can use to describe your email incentive. You can insert your landing page URL into these ads, so people attracted by your email incentive description can click through it and submit the form. Once you select this objective, tick the Website Visits checkbox. Then paste your landing page URL into the website URL field. Now click on Continue to start setting up the campaign and Ad on the following page. Ready? Okay. Start by entering the name of this new campaign into the Campaign Name field. Next, you're going to select your locations and language. The simplest setting, and the one that will generate the most leads, is this. First, click on the Languages menu field and select your target language. In our case, we're going to select English because that's the language of our website and offers. Next, select all countries and territories in the Location section. That way, you'll show your lead gen ad to prospects that speak your target language in all possible locations. Neat, right? Now move to the Budget section and enter the average that you want to spend a day to show your ads. Next, move to the Bidding section. Tick the Set a Target Cost per Action checkbox and enter the amount you're willing to pay per each lead that signs up to your ad into the Target CPA field. Additionally, You can add extensions such as additional links, additional business info, or a contact phone number in the Add Extensions section. We're not going to add extensions, so we are going to click on Save and Continue to move to the next step. On the following page, you're going to set up the ad group and the keywords within the ad group. First, enter the name of this new ad set into the ad group name field. The Ads tool will automatically add keywords into the keywords box by matching search terms in your niche according to the content on your landing page. In general, these are good matches, and you can use them to reach search users more broadly. But you can edit, add, or delete keywords. And once you're done here, click on Save and Continue. Setting up the ad. Now it is time to start creating the ad. Your job here is simple, as you only have to compose your ad copy and calls to action in the available fields. A text ad structure that has worked very well for us is as follows. First, add the name of your email incentive into the headline number 1 field. This could be the name of your ebook or any other asset you're using as a lead magnet. Next, enter the name of your business into the headline number 2 field. Now you are going to enter a description or summary of your offer into the description number 1 field. You can use the description number 2 field to expand that in case you go over the character limit on the description number 1 field. Once you are done creating the ad, click on Save and Continue to launch the campaign on the next page. All you have to do here is to review your campaign settings, and then to click on Continue to Campaign. Success! Now you'll start generating an impressive amount of new email leads. High-converting lead magnet ideas for your campaigns. Hey there, everyone! If you're serious about lead generation and list building, then you have to be ready to offer great incentives to convince people to join your mailing lists. To help you out with that, we have prepared a list of proven high-converting lead magnet ideas that will help you make the most out of each one of your list-building campaigns. Checklists. Checklists are help guides organized as, well, a checklist. They're easy to create because all you have to do is to make a compilation of items that you can put one after another into a checklist. These could be tips, hacks, steps, tricks, facts, or anything that helps your target audience. For example, if you are in the online marketing business, you can create an online business checklist that shows people a checklist of steps to build an online business, and that they can complete as they progress. Cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are simplified guides that people can use to complete something. They are similar to checklists in that they give people a series of items to complete. But cheat sheets include an explanation or description to each step, often in a sequential manner. Basically, they're guides that show leads to cheat or take shortcuts to complete something that's seemingly difficult, such as creating a blog post or selling freelancing services. Templates. You can create templates and offer them as lead magnets, and all you have to make sure is that they are templates that your target audience will find useful. For example, if you are in the web design niche, you can offer landing page templates. If you are promoting a graphic design tool, you can offer design templates, and so on. Swipe files. Swipe files are similar to templates, but for written copy. That is, they are text templates, and they can be used either as a reference or they can simply be reused. They're easy to create because all you have to do is to design copy for copywriters, bloggers, and content creators in your niche. For example, you can create and offer a swipe file with a collection of headlines for affiliate marketers. They're highly popular because they save people the time, energy, and creativity it would normally take them to create copy. Samples and trials. One of the most popular email incentives ever. Samples and trials are simply limited or timed access to a product, tool, or service with a price tag, and they work even if people don't intend to buy the product or service at first, only because people love free stuff. All you have to do is produce simplified versions of your products, or to program timed access with limited features to a service, and offer them to people that join your mailing list. For example, if you are selling a book, you can offer a sneak peek of the first 20 or so pages to people that sign up. If you are selling a video course, you can offer access to the first 2 videos to people that sign up. Toolkits. Another popular lead magnet is the toolkit. They're easy to create too. All you have to do is to create a list of tools that you can use to complete or automate a task, and to put them inside a PDF catalog with images, descriptions, and very importantly, affiliate links for each tool. If, for example, you were in the email marketing business, you can create an email sales automation toolkit and offer it to people on your site. Toolkits not only help you to build large lists, they also help you make money through affiliate links. Highly effective lead segmentation tips to increase retention. Email segmentation is a key list-building strategy when it comes to increasing retention and activity from your subscribers, including open rates and click rates. Here we're presenting you with proven lead segmentation tips that will improve your list-building efforts. Learn segmentation basics. Start by learning the segmentation basics that will help you prepare your list-building campaigns for segmentation if you're not applying it yet, or to improve segmentation if you're just doing it to organize subscribers into lists with different names. This will help you to start segmenting leads even before they sign up by targeting them appropriately. First, you want to make sure to use an email marketing service provider that allows you to segment subscribers into different lists before and after they submit. This means that your email marketing provider of choice has to let you create different audience lists where to collect different email leads according to the placement of your sign-up form and the behavior displayed by leads before they sign up. And that also lets you tag those leads according to their behavior after they join your contact lists. Second, you will need a tool that lets you target prospective leads at the sign-up page level. In other words, you need a tool that allows you to build and show lead capture pages and forms according to behaviors such as exit intent, and to specific website visitors, such as those coming from e-commerce sites. Finally, you'll need to create lead magnets that are specific to each type of lead that you want to capture. Send a welcome message to new subscribers. Create an audience list to add everyone that is just signing up to your mailing list, and schedule a campaign to send a welcome message to emails saved to this list. It's okay if you also save those same leads to another list according to a segmentation rule such as exit intent. A welcome email is a powerful way to let new leads know that they have joined an active list, and you can always move or remove those from the welcome list. Send preference surveys. Not all your subscribers will want to receive your emails at the same frequency. Some would want to receive daily updates. Others will only want to receive weekly updates. And yet others won't mind frequency much as long as you only send them the type of emails they like. The best way to learn this is by sending a preference survey to people in your list to ask them, when do they prefer to receive emails, how regularly, and what type of emails they prefer to receive. Then you can segment them into different lists, according to their answers. Analyze interests. You can learn what type of content and stuff your subscribers like the most by analyzing what type of email content they click through the most. You can then create lists based on this information. Add specific leads to specific lists according to their interests, and send them emails tailored towards this. That way, you'll increase retention, clicks, and revenue. Discover inactivity. A good segmentation strategy is to find out which subscribers are inactive. Most email marketing services will let you find them under the No Open category on your subscriber lists. Once you find out these inactive subscribers, add them to an inactive list, and program a campaign to send them an exclusive offer to encourage them to re-engage. What you'll do is to send them a discount, coupon code, a demo, a product trial, or any offer that forces them to click through and take action if they want to claim it. Exit intent hacks to reduce abandonment and increase subscriptions. Exit intent pop-ups are amazing. Did you know that by adding an exit intent pop-up on your site, you can recover more than 50% of abandoning visitors? Stunning, right? That's why in this lesson, we are going to discuss a series of exit intent hacks that will help you reduce abandonment and increase subscriptions on your site. Use scarcity. A great strategy you can use is to add a sense of scarcity to your exit intent pop-ups. This is simple. All you have to do is to create an ebook, a video series, infographics, template, or other valuable product or asset that is not available on your site, so you can promote it as a very limited, time-sensitive offer that won't last long. The sense of scarcity alone will push most people to sign up, even if they're not entirely interested in the incentive. Use personalization. It's been largely demonstrated that people love personalization when they are online. If you're not familiar, personalization is all about personalizing stuff to address people directly, at a personal level, to increase the emotional response. To give you an example, we bet you're more likely to open emails when you see your name in the subject. Everybody is. This strategy works with exit intent pop-ups too. The easiest way to do this is by integrating your site with a referral detection tool. Opt-in Monster and Mail Opt-in are two popular email marketing and lead generation tools with referral detection technology. They allow you to add referrer URLs as pop-up display rules when you set up a pop-up campaign. That way, these tools detect visitors coming from those sites and show them pop-ups showing their names and an offer that is exclusive for people coming from the referrer site. The combination of scarcity plus personalization encourages people to sign up on the spot. Offer content upgrades. One way to capture the attention of visitors that are about to leave a blog post or content page is by offering them a content upgrade. A content upgrade is simply a better, more complete version of the content they were just reading. And it works great when people are abandoning the page for reasons such as not having time to read the complete article. By offering the content upgrade, you're giving them the chance to access the same content later on. You can create a content upgrade simply by creating an ebook with a compilation of your blog posts, or by creating a visual edition of the same content, such as an infographic. Show multiple choice pop-ups. Sometimes people abandon a page because they're not encouraged to read the content in it, or because they don't find what they're looking for on that page. You can bypass this objection by showing them a pop-up where you offer them multiple choices related to the content or solutions that you offer on your site. The way it works is you add multiple buttons on the pop-up, each one with a different choice. When people click on an option, they will be prompted to enter their email address so you can send them custom content related to their choice right to their inbox. Because you're basically gamifying the pop-up, visitors will find it entertaining. And because they are so easy to submit, most people will simply pick an option and submit their email. Offer rewarding incentives. Sometimes you have to increase the perceived value of an offer in order to convert a lead before they abandon your site. That is why it is important to offer reward-based incentives to abandoning visitors, such as deep discounts, coupon codes, and timed offers. This strategy even works if you don't sell anything on your site. And all you have to do is create a catalog of heavily discounted affiliate products and promote it on an exit intent pop-up. Crazy list building strategies that work on social media. Hey there, friends. Social media platforms are a goldmine of email leads that you can't miss. And in this lesson, we're going to show you some crazy list building strategies that work amazingly well on your favorite social media channels. Include a CTA and sign-up form URL in your social bios. People that are new to following you on social media will always take a look at your profile page before they actually start following you. People that find your profile pic or handle interesting will also check your profile page. So here's a good strategy to leverage your profile real estate. What you'll do is add a call to action and a sign-up form URL in your bios, be it to promote an email incentive or to promise people great content if they sign up to your newsletter. Pin a tweet with a CTA. Twitter allows you to pin tweets, which means that you can insert a tweet at the top of your Twitter page. This is the first publication that profile visitors will see when they visit your page, and content creators, marketers, artists, and the like have been using pinned tweets to promote their work with great success. You can leverage this strategy to promote your sign-up pages. You simply have to compose a tweet where you promote an email incentive with a description, a call to action, a sign-up form URL at the end, and an image of the incentive. This is a great way to get profile visitors to click through out of curiosity, and we guarantee that lots of them will convert. Promote your sign-up forms on well-performing posts. Have you noticed that some content creators on Twitter compose viral tweets that gain traction, and they leverage that traction by promoting their portfolios on top of the publication? This strategy not only works on Twitter, and you can play it out by creating a compelling publication with a viral video, image, or hot take. Wait until that publication gets a lot of traction, and post a comment with a call to action and a link to your sign-up form. Create CTA posts for Instagram. Contrary to popular belief, Instagram is a great platform to find email leads and grow your list. And all you have to do is create CTA posts with a cool image of your incentive. First, you have to produce an incentive that you're sure most of your followers will want to get. Then, create an image flyer with an image of your incentive as the post cover. Make sure to add text on the image to indicate that the link to claim the incentive is in your bio. Lastly, compose a caption to describe the incentive. Add a call to action to tell users to visit your bio and click on the URL, and place a plain text version of the URL in the caption. Let users know they can also simply copy that URL to claim the incentive by pasting it on a different tab. Create a CTA cover for your Facebook page. Another strategy that works wonders is to create a CTA cover for your Facebook pages. What you'll do is to design a cover graphic to promote an email incentive, newsletter, offer, or promotion. Add a CTA graphic that simulates a button, such as arrows pointing at a rectangle with a Click Here CTA. Upload that cover graphic as a cover image on your Facebook page, and add a call to action with a URL to your landing page into the cover caption. This strategy works because people that enter your Facebook page will click on the cover image and then on the URL in your caption to claim the incentive. Alternative list building strategies you can try. Hey there, friends! Experimenting with different list building strategies can lead you to great success, but also to lots of trials, errors, and wasted time. To help you avoid this, here we give you a collection of alternative list building strategies that we have tried with great results. Ask people to double opt-in and hack the confirmation page. If you want your email leads to truly commit to your mailing list, you will need them to double opt-in. This is an unpopular strategy because it adds a confirmation step to the sign-up process, but it is a good way to squeeze more engagement out of new email leads. Setting up a double opt-in is easy enough, and all you'll have to do in most cases is simply enable a double opt-in or confirmation option when setting up your email campaigns. To make double opt-ins truly effective, you have to hack the confirmation page that is sent to new leads when they sign up by adding the following elements. Reiterate the benefits of confirming their subscription. You can do this with a call to action where you highlight that to claim the offer they signed up for, they have to confirm. Add a sense of urgency to your call to action by asking the subscriber to confirm right away. Guide the subscriber by instructing them to click to confirm. This makes a double opt-in easy to follow. Guilt-trip prospects into subscribing. You can make prospective leads feel guilty of not subscribing by leveraging their fear of missing out. This is quite easy to achieve, and all you have to do is to add a clickable opt-out message where you tell the prospect what they will be missing out on if they don't subscribe. The trick here is to make it personal by composing the message in the first person. For example, if you are promoting a dieting product, you can compose an opt-out message that reads as, "No thanks, I don't want to lose weight." Or, if you're promoting computer security software, your opt-out message can read like, "No, I don't need to protect my computer." Use testimonials. A nice trick that will help you hack social proof into a sign-up form is to include a testimonial with a positive comment about the offer or incentive that you're promoting to capture leads. They're the equivalent to a 5-star review on Amazon, and they will help you eliminate most objections that prospective leads have to not submit an email form. Add navigation shortcuts to your landing pages. We've found that we can increase conversion rates enormously by simply adding navigation shortcuts to landing pages on our sites. You see, the majority of landing pages rely on search traffic and paid traffic to funnel prospective leads. But you can create shortcuts that take people from your site's homepage, sections, and blog posts directly to your landing pages. You can add these shortcuts on prominent navigation menus, such as the header menu bar, your sidebar menus, the footer, and on content feeds such as the most popular or viral sections. All you have to do is to add a call to action on the shortcut to make people curious, so they can take action once they're on the landing page. Add power words into your calls to action. Power words are actionable words that add value to a call to action or proposition, and encourage people to take action faster. Power words we recommend you to use in your calls to action include access, exclusive, featured, special offer, timed, limited time, advanced, or secret. List building do's and don'ts. Do's. Keep it simple. Make it as easy as possible to submit your forms by adding only 1 or 2 required fields and designing minimal, clean-looking sign-up forms. Welcome new subscribers. Make all new subscribers feel at home by sending them personalized welcome emails where you tell them what to expect from joining your mailing list. Use email automation. You can integrate your mailing list with email automation tools that take care of list-building tasks, like confirmation messages and sending email incentives. Analyze your subscribers. Keep an eye on reports and analytics provided by your email marketing platform. They'll allow you to see who is opening your emails, who is clicking your links, and more. Split test your campaigns. Test 2 or more variations of the same sign-up forms, landing pages, and list-building campaigns to determine what elements work best, so you can always optimize for better results. Follow up. Make sure to keep in contact with people that join your email lists by sending them follow-up messages that force them to engage, such as surveys, offers, and content series. Reward top email openers and clickers. Find out those subscribers that are opening and engaging the most with your emails, and reward them with freebies, special offers, and discounts. Set up a referral program. Create a program where you reward subscribers that send more leads your way, such as giving away discounts or reward points for every lead they generate. Generate offline leads. Find ways to collect email contacts outside of the internet, such as by asking for email addresses at events or at a local business. Use all your marketing channels to build your list. Leverage other marketing channels to generate email leads, such as by adding your sign-up URLs on YouTube videos or adding them as signatures on forums. Don'ts. Don't buy email lists. Don't be tempted to buy email lists just to inflate your number of subscribers. Leads bought from email lists are usually not active or simply have abandoned their email address because of the amount of spam they get. Don't violate email regulations. Don't ignore regulations such as including legal disclaimers in your opt-in pages and your business address in the body of your emails. Don't collect unsolicited leads. Avoid adding email addresses to your list, such as addresses you find on forums or on social media profiles without receiving explicit consent first. Don't spam. Never bombard your subscribers with too many unsolicited emails to promote affiliate offers or other businesses. Don't sell your leads. Don't sell email addresses from your list to third parties or to affiliates, because if they trace you as the origin, your addresses and lists will be flagged as a spammer by most email service providers. Don't use a generic service. There's nothing more unprofessional and suspect than adding leads to an Outlook or Gmail contact list, So don't use your personal email for list building. Don't send off-topic emails. Never send emails that are unrelated to your business or niche. Otherwise, you'll lose subscribers quickly. Don't neglect your lists. Don't just collect email addresses to save them on a list to take action later. Instead, engage with your email leads and curate content for them actively to increase retention. Don't go overboard with pop-ups. Don't attack visitors with too many pop-ups. It's annoying to them. And if they don't convert right away, they won't convert afterwards just because you show them 5 more pop-ups on the same page. Don't mislead prospects. Never mislead a prospect with an offer or sending them something different after they sign up. That is only going to hurt your brand's reputation. List building premium tools and services to consider. Opt-in Monster. Opt-in Monster is a powerful list building, email marketing, and conversion optimization toolkit with a lot of awesome features that will let you do it all from a single dashboard. With Opt-in Monster, you'll be able to create visually stunning forms, personalize email offers with behavior targeting, test and adjust list building campaigns in real time, use exit intent technology, advanced traffic redirection, and much more. Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is an amazing list-building tool that provides you with all the functionality of traditional lead capture pop-ups, but also gives you access to features that will help you build mailing lists in record time, including advanced sign-up form editor, hyper-targeting, a built-in split testing engine, actionable insights, and content locking. BounceX. BounceX is a dedicated exit intent pop-up tool that will allow you to accurately identify and target many types of exit intent behaviors that are completely ignored by most lead capture tools. BounceX also uses proprietary identification technology that helps you identify up to 40% of anonymous traffic, so you can personalize their experience with pop-ups that are tailored to each identified prospect, all without requiring a login. Ninja Pop-ups. Ninja Pop-ups is a cost-effective pop-up plugin for WordPress websites that lets you add professionally designed pop-ups that convert your visitors into leads and that encourages them to take action, whether you're encouraging them to download a report or to sign up to your newsletter. It also integrates with all popular email marketing services to let you manage your list-building system from a single place. UpViral. UpViral is a sweepstakes and rewards tool designed to help you generate traffic, leads, and sales. It is a viral referral system that will allow you to grow your lists by integrating a viral component into your pop-ups. So when visitors submit their email addresses, they will be encouraged to invite more friends to join your list in order to get more freebies. Sumo. Sumo is a classic but highly effective lead capture tool with tons of features that includes pre-built email capture forms, customizable designs, social media sharing, advanced visitor targeting, split testing, custom branding, email campaigns and integrations, e-commerce features such as cart abandonment pop-ups and emails, and other cool features that includes analytics, onboarding, and stats. Boxzilla. Boxzilla is another great lead generation plugin for WordPress sites that lets you add conversion-boosting boxes on your websites. What it does is to add pop-ups that are non-intrusive because they slide in or integrate within your pages. It lets you add the content you like, lets you integrate your favorite email marketing platforms, and it lets you choose between multiple triggers that include exit intent, time on site, scroll percentage, and number of page views. Sleeknote. Sleeknote is an awesome lead generation tool that allows you to engage website visitors, collect their email addresses, and build your audience. Sleeknote provides you with powerful list-building features that includes advanced page-specific targeting, two-step opt-ins, built-in Google compliance guidelines, a powerful lead gen form editor, and multi-platform integrations. HelloBar. HelloBar is a dedicated but very powerful pop-up tool that lets you create exit intent pop-ups, floating bars, timed lead pop-ups, and more, quickly and easily. It provides you with powerful targeting functions, split testing features, analytics, and generates data-driven suggestions to help you optimize your list-building campaigns. EasySendy. EasySendy is a very special list-building tool because it allows you to convert Facebook leads into subscribers via Facebook chatbots. That's right. With EasySendy, you'll be able to build and customize a chatbot that automates conversations with visitors and that shows them a conversion form to turn them into subscribers using automated replies technology. List building success stories. Francisco Ladero. Francisco is a finance and stock market expert from Spain. Objective. Francisco's objective was to increase opt-in rates on his financial training website. Strategy. Francisco added a clear lead gen offer on the homepage, the sidebar, and a timed light box across the site. Result? Francisco was able to increase conversions to 30 leads or more every day. Lilo Bush. Lilo Bush is a Christian life coach and counselor from the United States. Objective. Lilo wanted to increase conversion rates on her coaching services website. Strategy. Lilo set up different email incentives across her site to appeal to different segments. Results? Lilo was able to increase conversion rates by 5% in only 2 months. Laura Jean Warnke. Laura Jean is a spiritual business advisor and blogger from the United States. Objective. Laura's objective was to double average conversion rates on her journal website. Strategy. Laura started offering different opt-in offers across different locations on her site. Results? This strategy helped Laura increase site-wide conversion rates by 3%. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management software company. Objective. The company wanted to improve email signups on their company blog. Strategy. The company tested and implemented 8 different lead capture methods across its blog. Results? The company was able to increase monthly email signups by 130%. AppSumo. AppSumo is a daily deal website that promotes business growth products. Objective. The company behind the website wanted to grow their small email list. Strategy. The company started running niche giveaways to capture email leads. Results? The company was able to generate over 10,000 high-quality leads in only 10 months. University of Alberta. The University of Alberta is a top 5 Canadian university located in Edmonton, Alberta. Objective. The university's objective was to test a different lead generation method to increase conversions. Strategy. They added a lead generation survey nudge to their website. Results? Their list jumped from 421 subscribers to over 2,500 subscribers in just 10 months. Backlinko. Backlinko is an SEO training and link building strategies website. Objective. Brian Dean, the site's owner, wanted to increase the number of visitors that converted into subscribers. Strategy. Brian started offering content upgrades as an email incentive. Results? This strategy helped Brian to increase conversion rates from 0.54% to 4.82%. UAV Coach. UAV Coach is a drone pilot training school from the United States. Objective. The school wanted to improve their lead generation strategies. Strategy? They ran an email giveaway campaign and offered a highly relevant niche prize. Results? They were able to generate 3,200 subscribers in only 7 days. Vero. Vero is an email service provider and push messaging platform. Objective. The company's objective was to increase visibility of their sign-up forms. Strategy. The company applied a series of changes and improvements that included content upgrades as email incentives, lead generation survey forms, and pop-ups for first-time visitors. Results? The company was able to increase blog subscribers by 150% in just 4 weeks. Brian Harris. Brian Harris is an online entrepreneur and business founder. Objective. Brian wanted to test whether interrupting the user experience could lift conversions on his site. Strategy. Brian implemented a full-screen takeover sign-up form with a single opt-in field. Results? Brian's full-screen takeover sign-up form converts at 14.89% and generates thousands of subscribers per month. List building frequently asked questions. What's the difference between list building and email marketing? List building is the collection of methods and strategies used to attract leads and collect their email address to grow your email contact list. The goal of list building, then, is to grow your list and nurture your leads so they don't unsubscribe. Email marketing, on the other hand, is a collection of methods and strategies used to engage and monetize subscribers in your email lists. The goal in email marketing is to move your email leads through different stages of the customer journey. How much does list building cost? The cost of list building depends on the tools you use. Expect to pay between $10 to $30 a month to manage a limited number of leads when you're getting started. Once you start adding more leads to your lists, and once you start scaling, you can expect your costs to go above that initial amount, especially once you start using paid ads to reach more leads. Is list building profitable? List building becomes profitable once you combine it with email marketing strategies to convert your email subscribers into customers. What's the customer value of email leads? Email leads have one of the highest customer values you'll find. For every dollar you invest in capturing an email lead, you'll generate on average between $32 to $40. And that's not counting the lifetime value once those leads convert into repeat customers. Who should you add to your email lists? Your email lists should be made of people that can help you grow your business. This includes potential customers, business leads, and people that are interested in content, services, products, and offers in your niche. What type of businesses benefit the most from building an email list? Nowadays, all businesses can benefit from building their email lists because email provides a direct line of great communication with potential clients. That said, there are businesses, especially online businesses, that can get results faster when they build their email lists, such as online stores, online coaches, content creators, and online educators. Is there a way to generate email leads without offering an incentive? There are two valid ways to generate email leads without offering an incentive. One is to lock content behind a subscription wall. For this strategy to work, you have to offer content so exclusive that people will be willing to submit their email address to access it. The other way is by requiring people to sign up to access a platform, product, or service. What are list building regulations? List building regulations are rules of email used when you're building a list to send commercial emails. They're easy to apply, and they're designed to protect email subscribers. In general, the basic regulations are to include an opt-out or unsubscribe method, to unsubscribe people immediately upon request, to include a physical address in all your commercial emails, and not sending unsolicited emails to people who are not on your list. What's the biggest factor influencing conversion rates on a website? It's been found that site load speeds are a big determinant factor that affects conversion rates on any site. For example, speed testing has determined that 40% of visitors will abandon a site after a 2-second load delay. Similar tests have found that by improving page load speeds by 4 seconds can increase conversion rates from 7% to 12%. So it's important that you keep your site well optimized for maximum speed. What type of content besides blog posts can help you grow your lists? Webinars are a great way to generate email leads because they allow you to generate leads by offering limited spots to people that sign up early, and then to offer access to the recorded webinar to people that sign up to the webinar landing page after it is finished.